Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Stock number is A7533. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. You do have dual rear-facing entertainment centers. And up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Climate control as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.